Hi everybody, it's Professor Diffley. I just want to make this brief video to walk you through the Module 1, Week 1 Course Introduction, Materials Assignment, and Quiz. The material here, this is the only assignment you got for the first week. In Module 1, first week, is just get familiar with the course, read the syllabus, learn the course rules, procedures, that sort of thing. You'll see I have some videos for you to watch on best practices for taking notes and how to approach your reading assignments. And then you'll have an assignment for the week. Let me turn this on that way, so the way you would see it. So again, here it starts with, now this is in the course content section, as you can see up here. Click on course content, which often appears over here, and go to Module 1. This is just some overview of what you got to learn. Again, locate, access course materials, learn and apply the rules, that sort of thing. So, show you the actual assignment. Your actual assignment here is here, course intro, getting familiar with the course, learning everything. Quick note on due dates here. For this first week only, you have extra time to do these assignments. Because the first week is add drop, a lot of students coming out of the class. So I'm giving you till Wednesday, the end of Wednesday, September 11th, to finish the course intro quiz and the personal introduction discussion board post. And I will show you those shortly. So again, the assignment here, really what you got to do, you can read here, it's due by Wednesday, September 11th, as I said, the end of the day. So what you're going to need here is the required videos, the syllabus, which I provide a link to. The syllabus is also found in the course information section. And then the rest, you just got to explore the course content, click around, figure out where everything is. Again, so once you get here, the due dates, next thing will bring you to a link to the syllabus. Again, read the syllabus. It's not even 6 pages long. There's a lot of extra space in there, so it's not as bad as it seems. It just lays out procedures, rules, that sort of thing. Get those out of the way. So read those, take some notes if you like. And then there's a couple of videos I'm going to have you watch. Taking notes, the best practices on taking notes. I suggest you take notes whenever possible. That's just good practice for any field you're going to be in. Also, then there's a video on how to best approach your reading assignments. My tip, there are tips in this, but my tip is always try to space out the reading. Don't try to do it all in one sitting if you can avoid it. It is best to break it up in chunks, give your brain time to process. Obviously I know everybody's got crazy schedules, so if you can, try to space it out over a couple of days, that sort of thing. But there's more in here. So once you've done all that, now you have the actual assignments, the discussion board and the course intro quiz. So here, this brings you to the Module 1 introduction board. Again, rules for, and you would click on this to bring you to the discussion board, which I'm going to bring you now. It's not showing. Here, I'll show it to you now. Why is it not showing? Oh, well, you would create a view here. I don't know why it's not showing for you. It's probably not showing. It's not showing in that, sorry, because it's not open yet. But here's the Module 1 introduction board. Yeah, that's why it's bringing you to the area where you create it. So here's what you have to do the first week. Please use this board to introduce yourself to class. And again, the rules here, you have to make one post about yourself and then respond to 2 students. The timing requirements apply. So you need to put 12 hours between each post. So you post about yourself, 12 hours later respond to one of your classmates, 12 hours later respond to someone else. Note, you don't have to make this 500 words. There's usually a 500-word minimum for weekly discussion boards, but not in the intro. Just give me some information about yourself. I will post about myself here as well beforehand. So that will be the quiz that you have, the discussion board. So let me bring us back to the course content here. Okay, here we're back here in the module. So you start the discussion board again. One post about yourself. Then you need to put, as always, 12 hours between each post. So 3 posts total. Post about yourself. Wait 12 hours, respond to a classmate. Wait 12 hours and respond to another classmate there. Again, remember, you don't have to worry about the 500-word count this first week. Just post that. And then you'll have an introduction quiz. The quiz is available in the exams and quizzes section of the course. You can go to it either by following the, here it is, either by following the link in the module or by going to the quiz area. You will have 60 minutes, 1 hour to do this quiz. It's most of it is true, false, multiple choice, like questions. Here's a free one. One of the questions: how many exams may you miss, fail to take on time, and get to retry? That's a multiple choice question. Answer for that is in the syllabus. There's a couple other questions that just ask you to write out, but nothing more than a few sentences here. Remember, very important when you answer written questions on the quiz. Write incomplete sentences, no list or bullet points accepted at all. Write incomplete sentences, write in paragraph format, and that spelling and grammar mostly count there. So make sure you get that right. Very important thing about all quizzes or midterms or finals and exams is they are timed. These are exams and quizzes, including this first one, that got to be taken in one sitting. If you try to save and leave the exam or quiz, the timer will keep running. So find yourself an hour. Here's an hour. The weekly ones will be about an hour and 15. Find yourself an hour and 15 minutes to sit down and take the quiz in one go. All right, well, good luck on the quiz in the first week. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.